Hi, I'm Mallory Varner with GSG, and I'm here with another vinyl decorating project. So if you follow me on Facebook and Instagram, I'm a mom of 6, which requires a lot of coffee. I have a mom's weekend coming up, so I'm going to add a little bit of bling to our coffee cups for the weekend. Siser is known for their heat transfer vinyl all over. One thing, if you didn't know, they also have a line of pressure-sensitive vinyl. Adhesive vinyl, whether it's their semi-permanent or permanent, they also have glitter. Today I'm going to be using their glitter PSV. I love bling and I love adding a little bit of glitter to anything. Glitter PSV is used just like any other adhesive vinyl, and you want to make sure you do not mirror your image. Cut it just like you would on the screen. Once you've cut your image and you're ready to weed, I like to go through and pull out any of the middles, whether it's the middle of an O, loopy L, anything like that. Make sure that I get all of those prior to weeding. Then weed your image. After you've weeded the image, use the Siser PSV mask and cut it a little bit larger than your image. This makes sure you get all of your design with one piece. Press down with the squeegee. Make sure you press firmly on a clean, flat surface. Then remove the backing. Next, make sure that whatever substrate you're putting it on, in this case my coffee cups, is nice and clean and free of debris. Then apply your image. You want to make sure and press down. I usually do center going out to make sure there's no bubbles and everything is smooth. Next, you're ready to pull it off and see your wonderful design. How cute did these turn out? A little bling to my coffee cup. I think my girlfriends are gonna love it at our mom's weekend. I will say I'm probably more of a creamer snob than a coffee snob. And a lot of sugar. Thanks for watching, and be sure and check out all the glitter PSV that Siser has to offer. There's lots of colors for your fun design and add a little bling to anything. Thank you for watching. Be sure to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest to see more of my vinyl decorating tips and projects. I would love to see what you're working on, so make sure and tag me. See you next time.